Hey guys, welcome back to Status Detail, and today we are going to do a super fast video on how to fix these guys. So your door handle might not look like this Ferrari 488, but all door handles function about the same. So you pull these back, right? So sometimes it's on an Audi, it's like a horseshoe, and you put your hand in and you pull out. No matter what the door handle looks like, for the most part, you end up putting your fingernails in and you scratch this little, I call it a door cup. So it's unsightly, especially on a white car, a yellow car, a red car. It's harder to see on some black cars. But you get these nasty marks and they're kind of hard to polish, and you can't get a traditional polisher in here. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it because it's super easy and super fast to fix. All you need is a microfiber towel and a bottle of ULTRACUT or Rupes Blue compound. Either of those will work. And let's jump into it. I'll show you real fast. So I just have kind of like a rag. This is an old polish towel. And I'm going to put some ULTRACUT on here. That should do it. It's a good size, about a pea size. And I'm going to pull this back. Make sure the car is locked when you do this, or it's going to be kind of hard. So pull that back, and then you're just going to kind of go to town on it. I'm doing, medium pressure. I'm not pushing too hard, but really you're just working this product in, and it's going to kind of fix all these scratches really quickly. Don't push too hard. You're using your fingertips, but you want to really spread the pressure out. You don't want to just be working with your fingertips. So kind of mix of light touch with a decent amount of pressure, but kind of try and dissipate the pressure so you're not digging in with your fingertips, because that's not what you want to do. And then just work this in. ULTRACUT is a heavy cutting compound, so just the micro abrasives in this product are kind of doing all the heavy lifting, which is why I don't need to like bear down on it and really, really grind it out or anything. And then we'll try and get up to the sides. So just for good measure, I'm going to do it one more time. One more pea size. You can work in circular motions, left and right. You kind of want to change it up a little bit. Don't do all just one motion. You kind of want to blend some of these marks in, because you are removing paint, so you don't want it just to be in one direction. You want to be, like in a circle, then up and down, then left and right. And basically, if you can, work it in until it basically kind of disappears. And that way it's finishing down, and that way you really don't need to come back with anything else to kind of finish it up. So we're done with that. I'm going to flip this over. You can see there's dirty spots on this towel. It's not a big deal. As long as you're using a clean spot of towel to do this, then you're fine. Like I said, this just has old polish in it. So I'm flipping this over to just a clean side, and I'm going to kind of buff it off now. And just as a little bonus, when you're already in these areas, you can kind of put a little bit more compound on your towel, and you can get into these little spots. And as you can see, there's like a black edge of dirt around this one. So we're just gonna go in here, and this really eats up that grime and stuff because the compound has that micro abrasive in it. So it makes it really easy to clean up these little keyholes. So once your little door cups look perfect, you might as well clean these little key spots. And just like that, this one's over. This stuff is super awesome. You can grab this or DA course, which is the Rupes compound that I offer, in our store, statusdetailstore.com. If you enjoyed this short, little helpful video or something you can do at home, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. And I have so many more videos coming, guys, so I will see you in another video very soon.